Hey there, this is Stacy with WTI. I was looking for some mini tea lights because we do a ton of science projects in our homeschooling family, and so I found these from OHR. This is a 50 pack of tea lights. Now, when they said mini, they really mean it because this is exactly how big they are. These would be great to use in a multi-purpose candle setting that you're using, but I love these for science projects. For one thing, because they're so tiny, they only burn for an hour. So I can leave the room if I need to, have my daughter set up on a counter, and I know that these will not do that much damage if I'm watching carefully. Now they do have a wick in each one. They're really easy to light, and they're enclosed with the tin. So these are nice and safe, really good for some school projects. I would definitely say that these are perfect for what I was looking for, and they would also be great for decor as well. But that's just my point of view.